Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So in this AI faceless YouTube channel lecture, I will tell you how you can create your channel, upload your logo and banner art. So let's start the video. First of all, you need an email account, that is a Google account, Google Gmail account and email account. So if you have, then you log in here. Otherwise, you can create new one by clicking on create account for personal use, and then your name, your second name and your password and username. Then after creating a complete Google account, then you have to come on YouTube. After coming on YouTube, click on this logo on this side of and you will get the option create a channel. Click here and you will give the name of your channel. So in this case, I am working on health video, so I chose guides. So I take health guides and now you choose your channel handle. So this handle is available. You can try another one, but I'm just telling you, so that's why I choose this one. And now click on create channel. When you click on create channel, your channel will be created. So our next step is upload our logo and banner art, so that our channel look so beautiful. So now you click on customize channel. They will take you in studio.youtube.com, YouTube Studio website, and where you will edit your logo and your channel art. So they said welcome to YouTube Studio. Click on continue button and close this one, and here is an option of branding. Click here and here is an option to upload your logo, your banner image and your video watermark. So where you get this one, you have to go to a Canva website. You come on Canva website and create your channel logo. So first of all, log into the Canva account. You have to click over here learn and then click on logo maker option. When you click here, you will get the start designing custom logo. Click here over here and then you will get a template of your logo. So I write here health logo. When I click over here, I will get on health logo templates. So I will choose one of them that I like. There is many template you can choose that you like. So I choose this one. So I will edit guides. So after this, you have to click here share button and click on download button and click on download. When you click on download, your logo will be ready. So you will upload on your channel. Comes again on channel upload, click on upload button and click on download. Then you will get in download option health guides. So your logo is here and click on done button. When you click on done button, your channel logo will be uploaded done. So and the next step is in your banner image. How you can create? You can also create this one on Canva. So how you create this? Go back to home of the Canva and then search button, come on search button and write YouTube channel art. When you search YouTube channel art, they will show you many templates. You will choose anyone that you like. So it's dependent on you which one you like. So I chose this one. This is too easy and so beautiful. So that's why I choose this one. And I will edit the name and also logo of the channel and then upload on YouTube. So how you can first of all change the name So I will edit the name and small it. So if you don't know how to create this one, you can hire some professional person that create for you, but I never hire. I create myself. So spend more time so that you will create a perfect one. So I just telling you for education purpose. So now change the logo and click on upload button and upload your logo that you download now. So I upload our logo and click here and they will not go to. So you have to come on elements option and here is a search option and you will search circle image frame. So you will get circle image frame, that is circle image frames, and you have to small the size and also in this one. So looks perfect. So higher. Now click on here and let's see. Our banner art is ready. So you have to again background image. Now everything is done. Now click on download button and your channel banner art is ready. Come back again on your YouTube channel, uploads button, and then you will select that you made. So here is your banner art. You can also adjust by this. Click on done button. Now your logo and your banner art is ready, and now you can upload your logo also here. So here is your, and you click on custom start a entire video as you wish and click on publish button. Your logo and banner art will be published. You have to wait for some minutes. So publishing process started. Now your channel banner art and logo published. Let me check. So logo is not uploaded yet. Let's refresh it again. I think logo is not published. We have to change again. Sometime it's great issue, but you have to change again and click on again publish button. It's it. Okay, now our logo has been done. Let's see, our logo and banner art has been done and our channel is created. So in next video I will tell you all the setting of the channel, and then we go further for creating a complete video and each and everything. Okay, see you in next video.